Well, hey everybody, it's Paul. Welcome again to my kitchen. Today we're going to do a fun little party snack. This is what we need. Gotta have some toothpicks. Gotta have some of these little Smokies. They're good. Some brown sugar and some bacon. And you gotta have some Sweet Baby Ray's. We love that stuff. It makes it nice. So what we do is we put it on a wire rack so that the brown sugar and that doesn't burn on the cookie sheet. Like you'll see a lot of people do it where it all burns on the bottom. But if you do the wire rack and you have a little bit of sauce mixed with the brown sugar, it's tasty, number one. I even use in my sloppy joes like that. And number two, it won't get all burned on you. Okay, you see the little Smokies are not very wide, not very thick. So what I've done is cut the bacon in half. And you'll find that pretty much is plenty to make it into a nice sized wrap. It's kind of like a variation of the old pigs in a blanket that had the dough, and this is just to keep it together. And I greased the baking pan. I'm just going to put it on that. Okay, let's go with 1 cup of Sweet Baby Ray's and 1 cup of brown sugar. Give this a little mix. Okay, so if you go 1 to 1, that makes a nice thick sauce. It's going to give it some stickiness. That's what we want. Alright guys, well now this is the fun part, and you can decide how clean you want to be doing it. You can smear it on like that. You can try to dip it like this to get full coverage. However you want to do it, you're going to get some on your fingers, but that's part of the fun. Anyway, it should look something like that. And now, like I say, we're going to put them on wire racks. Some of the excess will fall through, but the nice thing is it not being on, you can see some of my fingers, it will not burn onto your food. It may burn a little down there, turn black anyway, but it won't ruin the food part. Alright guys, and before too long you should have a nice looking tray of little Smokies all ready to go in the oven. I'm going with 400, and I'm going to keep an eye on it. You know, you got to make sure your bacon gets up to like 165, and all of it 165, so just want to be careful not to overdo it. Guys, well you can see this is the finished result. You might say some of these got a little dark. But I wanted to make sure I got them up to 165 at least. But they still look pretty good. And let me tell you what, they're awfully yummy. I think they're excellent. Let me know what you think if you make them. Till next time, we'll see you.